Hi, it's Mrs. Hickey, and it is week 4 of e-learning, and this is an article about science and cartoonists and why they have comics, and it's to bring science ideas to a wider audience. And then you read this article, and then you're going to make a comic strip about genetically modified organisms. And in order to do that, you have to read about GMOs and then read about the benefits and the risks of GMOs. And then you had a link here for GMOs, and then you had a link here to TED Talks for GMOs and what kind of organisms have they created by putting two different kinds of organisms together. And then there was the cartoon. And this is about the cartoonist, and it has the comic strip on it. So you're going to click on these links, you're going to listen to what they have there, and you come back to here. And then you do your comic strip. If I had put the comic strip on the very bottom, I don't think you even would have read all the way to get to the comic strip. So I put it here so that you know what you're going to be doing, a comic strip about genetically modified organisms, and then you're going to draw a cartoon, a comic strip about the pros and cons of genetically modified organisms. And that was it. Well, I hope this clears up any misconceptions that you didn't know what you were doing, and now you do. All right, I look forward to seeing your comic strips. Many people have passed them in already, and they are wonderful. They're fantastic.